All right, Megan, now this Hurricane Florence could cause historic devastation to the southeastern United States and all throughout that region. Residents have already been told to get out.
NBC 10's Lindsay Idaluca is live in the studio this morning with the latest on the preparations taking place. Lindsay?
Alison and Frank, good morning. 1 million people, like you said, have been ordered to evacuate from the southern East Coast. People as far north as Virginia even bracing for massive amounts of rainfall after Florence was up